In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the fusion of human creativity with the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, has paved the way for unprecedented innovation. Picture a scenario where a musician utilizes AI algorithms to craft mesmerizing visuals that complement their electronic compositions. This synergy between human ingenuity and AI capabilities opens doors to groundbreaking solutions that were once deemed unattainable. As organizations increasingly embrace AI-driven initiatives, the demand for proficient AI project managers is skyrocketing. But what sets apart an exceptional AI project manager, and why is this role pivotal in the age of AI? Effectively overseeing AI projects necessitates a unique blend of technical prowess and non-technical acumen. While the role may seem predominantly technical, a comprehensive understanding of natural language processing, or NLP, emerges as a fundamental asset. By grasping the fundamentals of NLP, professionals can navigate AI systems with greater proficiency, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. Harnessing AI's potential entails recognizing its broader implications and leveraging its capabilities to drive innovation, efficiency, and tangible business benefits. Consider a retail enterprise seeking to optimize its supply chain through AI-powered forecasting and inventory management systems. In such scenarios, adept AI project management becomes instrumental in translating conceptual ideas into tangible outcomes. Beyond technical prowess, AI project managers must prioritize user-centric design and content relevance. Crafting user-friendly interfaces and curating AI-generated content of impeccable quality are imperative for enhancing user experience and maximizing engagement. By maintaining a keen eye on quality assurance, AI project managers uphold the integrity and credibility of AI-driven solutions. An intuitive understanding of AI limitations is indispensable for informed decision-making and risk mitigation. Identifying the boundaries of AI technology empowers project managers to champion responsible AI practices, steering clear of potential pitfalls and ethical dilemmas. By acknowledging AI's capabilities and constraints, organizations can deploy AI solutions ethically and effectively. In essence, mastering AI project management requires a multifaceted skill set encompassing technical expertise, strategic vision, and ethical discernment. By embracing the symbiotic relationship between human ingenuity and AI capabilities, project managers can unlock new frontiers of innovation and drive sustainable business growth in the era of AI. As organizations continue to harness the transformative power of AI, proficient project managers will emerge as catalysts for progress, steering initiatives towards success in an increasingly AI-driven world. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my Grow with Technology YouTube channel for more insights on AI and technology.